Hey you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Chanel, and on today's video we are making shrimp and mussels in a garlic butter white wine sauce. So this meal is really good and it is quick and easy. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and also like this video, and let's get into this recipe. So we're first going to start off with a small red onion. You can use a small red or a medium-sized red onion. This is what I had in my kitchen, so I decided to use a small red onion, but I love onions, so if you got a medium, go with the medium. So you're going to dice it just like this, and I'm sorry, my camera had died, so you're going to dice the red onions like that, and then you're going to cut your tomatoes into like medium-sized chunks. So you're going to get about 4 small tomatoes like this, and then just slice them into medium chunks. Next, you're going to cut yourself up some parsley, and I'm using about 1/4 cup of parsley, but I'm just cutting this up really finely. Make sure you cut it up as finely as possible. And this is what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to place to the side. So everything I'm using here, these are all of my ingredients, will be listed in the description and exactly how much. So we have our tomatoes, our minced garlic. Now I'm using garlic cloves and I minced it. It's going to come out way better if you use fresh garlic. Red onions, butter, mussels, shrimp, obey, Mrs. Dash, garlic salt, and some white wine. Everything will be listed in the description, you guys. You're first going to put 1.5 sticks of butter. I'm using, I can't believe it's not butter. You can use that type of butter, or you can use regular salted butter. You're then going to allow this to melt down, and then you're going to add in your garlic cloves. Now I used minced garlic and I chopped it up. So I'm sorry, I used garlic cloves and I chopped it up to minced garlic. I will leave everything in the description of how much I use. You're then going to add in your red onion, and you're going to allow this to saute for a little while, maybe for like 2 minutes. And then you're going to add in your tomatoes that you diced up. You're going to mix this up really well, and then you're going to add in 2 cups of white cooking wine. And once you add in that, you're then going to mix everything up really well. And you're going to put your lid on, and you're going to allow this to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes with your lid on a medium fire. Your sauce should start to look like this. So your tomatoes and your garlic and your onions, the butter and the wine should look like this. You're now going to add in your mussels, and you're going to stir this up really well so you can get all of the flavor in your mussels. And then you're going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. So put your lid back on and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Now on the side, you're now going to start to season your shrimp. So you're going to use obey, garlic salt, and onion and herb Mrs. Dash. So I'm mixing it all together. I'm putting the seasoning on my shrimp. Once again, everything will be in the description of how much shrimp I used, how much seasoning. It will be listed below. So you're going to give this a good mix, and then once you mix this, you're then going to add this to your pot of mussels. Once you add the shrimp into your pan, you're then going to give this a good mix. And you're not going to cook this for long because shrimp cook really fast. So if you cook your shrimp too long, they're going to become really tough and rubbery. So you really just want to cook this for less than like 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. I'm literally mixing it right now, and it's already turning pink. So once you see it turn that pink color, then you know that your shrimp are close to done if they're not done. You're then going to add in your parsley, and you're going to just stir this up and cook it. So you don't have to put your lid back on because, like I said, you don't want to overcook the shrimp. But once you stir it and you see your shrimp start to cook, and you can taste one to see, you know, if it's done. Once it's mixed up, then yeah, this dish is completed. It's nice and easy. It's quick. It tastes really good. It's flavorful. I love it. This is definitely one of my favorite seafood dishes. I love seafood because seafood cooks quick and it's low in calories and it's healthy. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and tuning in. I'll be dropping videos every Sunday. I am so excited that I've been consistent lately with producing this content for you guys. So if you haven't done so already, thumb up this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Sunday.